Think investing is only for rich adults? It's not. If you can understand this video, you can start investing. You don't need thousands of dollars. You don't need a finance degree. You just need to follow 4 simple steps. Let's break it down. No jargon, no stress. First, what is investing? It's putting your money into something that grows in value over time. You're not spending. You're planting. The goal is simple. Today's $10 turns into $100 later. Stocks, ETFs, crypto, real estate, all of them are tools. But the mindset is the same. You're trading short-term wants for long-term freedom. To invest, you need an account. This is like opening a money toolbox. If you're 18 or older, you can use a platform like Robinhood, Fidelity, Webull, *Trade. Under 18? You'll need a custodial account which your parent or guardian opens with you. No matter your age, you don't need to be rich. Most platforms let you start with $1. Alright, you've got your account. Now what? You have 2 main beginner-friendly options. Option 1, ETFs. ETFs are like a basket of many companies in one stock. It's safe, simple, and smart for beginners. Example, S&P 500 ETF equals 500 big companies in one. Option 2, individual stocks. Want to own a slice of Apple, Nike, or Tesla? You can buy shares directly. But be careful. Picking stocks is higher risk. So start small and only buy companies you understand. Investing isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building a habit that makes you rich over time. Here's how to stay consistent. Set a weekly or monthly amount to invest. Automate it if possible. Ignore the drama, invest even when it's boring. Think long term, not next week. This is how real wealth is built, slowly, quietly, while everyone else is distracted. You don't need to be lucky. You need to be consistent. Start with $5. Learn the basics. Build the habit. Investing is just money with a plan. And the earlier you start, the better your plan becomes. If this helped you, hit like. And send this to the friend who says, "I'll invest later." Because the best time to start is now, not someday. Subscribe for more money lessons anyone can understand. See you in the next one.